Banned gadgets on Amazon you can still buy. Each time we think we have found every last cool product on Amazon, the site sucks us in with even more stuff. The retailer is a treasure trove for unique gadgets that make life easier, but it can be hard to sift through them all. That's why we created an ultimate guide for you to shop through that contains the best gadgets on the site. Sound amplifier, enhanced microphone audio ear listening device. It can be used for pipeline side leakage / floor heating detection / water body exploration. It is suitable for various pipeline materials and ground, pipelines, etc. The high sensitivity metal alignment with headphones improves the sensitivity and sound quality. More convenient user experience. Compact and complete function with charging hole, earphone hole, and upward switch knob. Humanized design, easy to use and adjust. Sound can be made from wooden / coaxial, windows, doors, or armor plates. Has good compatibility. The listening device can be used anywhere, even indoors or in buildings, and has a built-in lithium battery, which is easy to operate and carry. Spy camera charger. Your undetectable security camera in a small USB charger that records clear 1080p Full HD video with a 120 degrees wide angle of view. Easily keep an eye on your unfaithful partner, lodger, landlord, roommate, children, babysitters, nannies, caregivers, elderly parents, or employees at home, bedroom, hotel, hostel, work, office, hospital, or anywhere else. The hidden spy camera doesn't require Wi-Fi for recording. Just insert a microSD card and plug it into an outlet, power bank, or USB port using a USB cable. The camera will start recording right away. This powerful USB wall charger camera adapter records the slightest movement. You get more than 5 days in loop recording mode or more than 14 days in motion detection mode with 256 GB SD cards. Null-light emergency strobe lights. Features 18 unique patterns to select. Includes constant lighting, flashing, alternating left to right, right to left, etc. Made of ABS housing case and double-row heat sink design for superior heat dissipation and resistance to high temperature, will not melt, enhanced security. The mounting bracket is made of durable aluminum, with 3 suction cups, which can be stabilized and attached to the windshield directly. 60-angle design is also adjustable for different installation requirements. 16 brighter 50/50 LED chips with flood lens extend a much greater visible distance. Great for any police cars, firefighters' vehicles, first responder vehicles, construction vehicles, utility vehicles, and volunteer service vehicles. Vortex Optics Crossfire HD 1400 Laser Rangefinder. The Crossfire HD 1400 with 5x magnification and a 21mm objective lens gives hunters a 1,400 yards max range. At just 4.8 ounces, it's a lightweight powerhouse that's at home in a bow hunter's pack or in an ultralight hunter's loadout. The HD optical system uses select glass elements to deliver exceptional resolution that cuts chromatic aberration and provides outstanding color fidelity. XR lens coatings provide maximum light transmission for peak clarity and low light performance. A red TOLED display keeps the readout clear in any lighting conditions. To match any hunting environment, the Crossfire HD 1400 has 3 target modes. Built to handle tough situations, the rangefinder uses Armortec coatings to protect the lenses. Waterproof and shockproof, the Crossfire 1400 will hold up to your next hunt. Mini USB hidden camera. The mini camera is a portable pocket body camera, which makes it the perfect home, car, nanny, housekeeper, etc. with this Wi-Fi camera with cloud storage and ACE human body shape recognition technology, a 14mm ultra-compact camera lens, and a metal hose, you can easily adjust the shooting angle. USB hidden camera alarm when there is human activity, making it more precise. Reduce the nuisance alarms caused by the wind, glass, or animal. AI human detection services are provided and charged by a third party. If you want to try high-precision testing, you can purchase this service. If you worry in the event that your camera is stolen or files corrupted in microSD, additional paid cloud storage is available. Cloud storage services are provided and charged by a third party. To customize the arming area and arming time. Real-time remote push alert to the app. It works. This wireless security camera can only work with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router, not support 5 GHz. SanDisk 128 GB Cruiser USB 2.0 flash drive. You need a simple and reliable way to store and share your photos, videos, and music. As a global leader in flash memory technology, the SanDisk Cruzer USB 2.0 flash drive is the perfect solution. This flash drive lets you leave your laptop at home and take your content with you to share with family and friends. And to make sure all your important files are protected, it includes a secure access software download, which lets you password protect your private files. Whether you need to transport your music, vacation videos, or your college thesis, the SanDisk Cruzer USB 2.0 flash drive offers secure portable storage that you can trust. SanDisk products are constructed to the highest standards and rigorously tested. You can be confident in the outstanding quality, performance, and reliability of every Slice manual carton cutter. The Slice 10585 manual carton cutter is a clever addition to our line of safety knives. As the name suggests, this tool design, its exposed blade length and angle, is ideal for boxboard and thin corrugate. The Slice carton cutter manual has just enough blade exposure to easily cut through the boxboard without fear of damaging package contents. Slide the tool's protective metal sheath to cover or uncover the blade as needed. The 10585 ships with a rounded tip 10526 utility knife blade. As with all slice tools, the blade features our finger-friendly edge, is chemically inert, never rusts, and lasts up to 11 times longer than a comparable metal blade. MakerFocus Wi-Fi Test Tool. It is an ESP8266 266 development board, but you can wear it like a smartwatch, more convenient. Wi-Fi Testing Tool. This ESP8266 266 step board is installed with the latest ESP8266 266 other software. With this software, you can perform different secure tests for your Wi-Fi networks. Built in a 500 mAh lithium battery, working time of up to 7 hours. Comes with an OLED display and a 3-way momentary slide switch. You can use it to develop your own software. It is indeed an ESP8266 266 development board and is easy to operate. This is a tool. It's neither good nor bad. Use it to do good, to study, and to test. Gerber Gear GDC Pocket Knife Money Clip. This sleek GDC money clip, capably housing its nimble blade within a 3.6-inch body, stows easily in a pocket. True to the always-ready GDC lifestyle and built for the practical gentleman, the money clip is a Gerber innovation for modern-day superheroes. This is a budget buster. The clever blend of quality, looks, and functionality warrants picking up the tab every time just to show it off. Thanks to technology via phone apps that have replaced an array of credit and loyalty cards, fewer items wind up in wallets. This translates to money clips growing in popularity. Enter the Gerber GDC money clip. Not only does it hold up to 5 essential cards, but it contains a 1.75-inch fine-edge stainless steel blade for discreet access and ultra-practical incorporation into the daily routine. Toysmith TechGear Multi-Voice Changer. Create hundreds of different sound combinations with this electronic voice synthesizer. Enjoy hours of laughter and fun with the TechGear Multi-Voice Changer. Experiment with the science of sound using this electronic voice synthesizer, featuring 10 different voice modifiers. Side levers adjust frequency and amplitude, creating hundreds of different sound combinations. Effects include a voice amplifier and colorful flashing LEDs. Requires one 9-volt battery. Recommended for ages 5 and up. Enjoy hours of laughter and fun singing songs, reading stories, making spooky voices, and more. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.